Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A8060A. We're going to start right away up front. You have factory fog lamps, gorgeous chrome bumper and grille, definitely adding a sharp feel right away up front. A look down the passenger side here, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. We're going to take a look inside now. You have cloth interior. Center console does fold up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater if you need that additional room. We're going to take just one more look down the passenger side before we swing around here to the back end. On the back end, you have a factory trailer hitch. You have the step into the bed there. Bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, the usual power amenities here on the door. 4-wheel drive. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here to the steering wheel. Taking a look over here, you have the full touch screen that includes your stereo, dual climate controls, and then your OnStar controls are up here on the mirror. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.